My friend, today we're going to be playing Bell Bottom Blues. This song has a really cool lead in where it does this like C major, walks it to a G with a B in the bass, and then an A minor while keeping that bass line moving. Then down to a G, finds itself to an F major, holds that F major, and then there's a signature riff. It's based off of an F arpeggio, which is nothing more than a 1-3-5 of any key. This just happens to be F, A, and C because the notes that make up the 1, 3, and 5 are going to be the F, A, and C for the key of F major. In fact, all the notes of that bar chord are an F, A, and C. Whenever you move one, it alters the chord, making an extended chord. If you like this kind of stuff, check out this channel. Subscribe to Be My Friend, My Brand. If we want to play this one, you can play it up top and do like a 13, 13, 10, 10, and then maybe up to 10, 8th note, and then drop it down to 12. If your fingers never move this quadrant, oh, I'm gonna turn off my battery. I never do. If you play your pentatonic at this fret, you can see how all the notes for this are going to be inside this little bitty quadrant, so there's really no need to move. Try the lick in a different place, so like a, and see what it sounds like using other notes from it. All of the leads will work, but see which one works, because sometimes if you're playing with a looper pedal, you can do like da -da -da, and then the next time through, while that's still going, you can do that, and they fit over the top of each other wonderfully. Anywho, that is the basic riff here. They play it every once in a while. The beginning has this C major, Bell Bottom Blues. They're gonna play that G with the B in the bass. You made me cry. A minor to the G, but I don't wanna stay around. You're gonna go up to the G really. That's what the rhythm does. Any sort of thing. Oh no, that mix Lenny. But right back into it. Anything you can figure out and have fun with, play it slow, play it medium fast, or play it as fast as you can. And if the lick sticks, play it every day with the song and it will stay. Other than that, the whole song just does that. Weird chorus. Love it. It's gonna transition to another key. So we've got the how about another thing here? If I could choose place to die, it would be in your arms. The lick. And then we're gonna walk into A. You could do an E walk up because hypothetically we were just using C major. If we have E minor, you could walk up to E, F sharp, G sharp, A. And it serves the purpose of using it as a E dominant, which is an E7, which is ipso facto the 5 dominant of the key of A. Again, if you like this theory kind of nonsense, check out the channel, why don't you? Cool, so the chorus has a really cool walk down. Hold the A, a lot of people play it like this, that's fine, but then to get this next one, that would be kind of weird. So play it like yeah, don't hit that top F sharp because you don't want to turn it into a D major 7 or this F minor 6. I'm sorry, F minor 7 or A6. Long story short, if you play the A right there, keep that open by swinging your finger over the top. You're gonna lay down your C sharp and then get to your G sharp and walk right down to your F sharp. So, no, what is it? Do you wanna see me crawl across the floor for you? D major, E major. Do it again. Do you wanna see me? Let me take it back. I'm gladly do. I don't wanna fade away. Give me just one more chance. I wanna fade away. The lick gets you back into the groove. There you go. That is the A part and the B part. It takes you through the verse, it takes you through the chorus with the weird change, and it showed you that riff. If you want to try this every day, I would suggest sitting down on a piece of paper, writing out your chord chart, playing along with backing tracks online, and or forming a band and having fun. If you're already in a band, put this one in your set list. It's a great crowd pleaser. Aloha.